Hey guys, so yesterday for writing, y'all did page 81 and 82, and we're still talking about problem and solution text structure. So I wanted to break that down a little bit for you before we continue on to the next part. So I took the pages, and I'll send you a close-up picture, but I used three different colors to go through. I used blue for the problems, purple for the solutions, and then I used brown for the conclusion sentence. This was the only one that had a conclusion sentence though. So they're a little bit different. If you look at the first one, the one about tetanus, it introduces the problem and then talks about the problem for most of the paragraph. And then you only see the solution in the last two sentences. So that's one way you can do it. In the next one about cars, it introduces the actually it starts with the solution. So it says that safety features have been invented and they didn't exist 70 years ago. So it starts with a solution and then it gives details about the problem. And I use wavy lines to show additional problems and additional solutions. So this one looks different than the first one because it's introduced in a different order. I wanted to point that out to you so that you know when you're writing it, it doesn't have to always look the same. You don't have to just introduce a problem, talk about it for a paragraph, and then do one sentence about the solution. You can introduce the problem and then give a solution, and then give another problem related to it and give a solution to that. So I'm going to send you a picture of this so you can get an idea of what I'm talking about. So I did the first one on page 83, and I'll send you a picture of that as well so you can see it. And I want you to get three colors, and I want you to do the last paragraph on page 83. So you'll need a color for problem, one for solution, and one for the conclusion. Once you've done that and completed everything else on the page like you did yesterday, snap a picture, send it to me, and let me know if you have any questions.